Alright, we're out here in the garage again. Got it up to about 60 degrees out here, so I'm nice and comfy. I bought this 59 El Camino, Chevy El Camino over at Hobby Lobby yesterday. They had their 40% off. I bought a 57 Chevy snap kit also, but I wanted to do the unboxing of this. I took the plastic off earlier, but I wanted to do the unboxing, do a video of it so everybody could see this. I want to know why this box is so big. But I took the plastic off, but you're going to see this just like I am for the first time here. Well, look how that says 59 Chevy El Camino on there. Original Art Series. That's what it says, Original Art Series. Alright. Got the glass here. Don't think I'm going to be using that red. But I got the clear. That's a one piece. So that's pretty cool. I like chrome. That chrome looks pretty good. I don't see a whole lot of flash on that at all. That chrome looks pretty good. I like that. It looks pretty good. A big old bag of plastic. Got the bed and the interior tub. There's the block for both engines you get, and all the intake and the heads and the valve covers. Not a whole lot of flash. Actually pretty good, really. There's another bag. It's got the wheels and some of the suspension and shocks and everything. That looks pretty good. A little bit more flash on this one, but pretty good though. Alright, here's that good looking body. Boy, ain't that a looker? Look at those big old fins. I see a little bit of flash up here, not really flash, but it's just rough looking right there, but that's pretty good looking. I like that. I don't know how good you're going to be able to see that through that plastic, but and it's got the one piece chassis here, floor pan and everything. It all looks pretty sharp. Got some pretty good detail in there. That's a good looking body, Joe. I like that big chrome piece down the side. Well, here's a bag of wheels. There's a steel axle. There's those nice looking white letter tires. I'm probably going to use those. Looks like you get 4 of those and then some white walls. Yeah, white letter Goodyear. Those look pretty good. Alright, here's a Street Rods decal. Looks like you pull the back off and stick it on something if you want. I probably won't use that for anything. Small sheet for your decals. Here's the instructions. Well, it's a small sheet, but pretty much about like you get with a lot of them. Looks pretty good. I like how that tailgate opens up, and it's supposed to have steerable front wheels too. All right, what else? Oh, look at this. Boy, that looks cool. That's going to go on the wall right there. I like that white. Look at that black stripe down the side here and the black in here. That looks pretty sharp. I like this car with the blower out of the hood and the tack up on the dash. I'm not a big fan of side pipes. I can guarantee you those won't be going on. But that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'll probably put that on the wall. So I guess that's why they made the box so big, because of this one picture they give you here, I guess. But yeah, I like to have one of those AMT cats. That'd be pretty cool, sitting up here on my bench. All right, we did the unboxing and everything looks pretty cool. That's it, I guess.